In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use theater mode in Udemy Player on desktop. While Udemy doesn't currently offer a dedicated button labeled theater mode, you can still create that focused, cinematic feel by using the built-in full screen and expand options, along with a few helpful player settings. I'll walk you through how to get the largest, clearest view of your course without distractions. First, let's talk about full screen. When you want the video to occupy your entire display, look for the full screen icon along the edge of the player. It typically looks like four corners or outward-facing arrows. Click it, and the video will maximize to fill your screen, hiding the rest of your browser and most of the interface. This is the simplest way to get that theater-like immersion. To exit, use the same icon again or press the Escape key on your keyboard. If you prefer to stay inside the Udemy interface while still enlarging the video, use the Expand option. This option increases the video area within the course page, so the player is larger, but your browser and course navigation remain visible. You'll usually find this near the full screen control, with an icon that suggests expanding the frame. It's a great middle ground when you want more screen real estate for the video while keeping your curriculum or notes accessible. Next, fine-tune your viewing with the player settings. Open the settings or gear icon to adjust options such as autoplay, video quality, and subtitles. If you're on a fast connection or the video looks soft after expanding, switch to a higher quality for a crisper image. If your internet is limited, choosing a lower resolution can keep playback smooth. Turn subtitles on if you're learning in a noisy environment or want to follow along more closely, and select the language that works best for you. You can also manage autoplay based on your pace. Turning it off gives you time to review material between lessons, while enabling it keeps you moving through the course without interruptions. If available, consider adjusting playback speed to match your comfort level with the instructor's voice. To recap, there isn't an official theater mode toggle in the Udemy desktop player. Instead, you'll get a theater-style experience by combining full screen for maximum immersion, or the expand option for a larger in-page view, and then refining quality, subtitles, and autoplay in the settings. Use these tools together to create a clean, distraction-reduced setup that suits your screen, your bandwidth, and your study style.